Let's get straight into the action. Earlier we had the toss. Wolmer's Prep won and decided to send Greater Portmore Primary in first. In Section 1, both teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's have 4 minutes on the Guardian's new ultimate provider clock. And begin with Bible knowledge. Greater Portmore Primary. Who was the mother of Cain as recorded in the book of Genesis?
Eve.
That's right. Wolmer's Bible knowledge. Who married Abraham after the death of his first wife, Sarah?
Sir John Brown.
Rebecca.
That's incorrect. It's Keturah. Greater Portmore Science. What type of mixture is salt and water?
Saline water.
Saline water.
That's incorrect. It's a solution. Wolmer's Science. Adding chemicals is one way of cleaning polluted water. Is this statement true or false?
It's true. True. Say true.
True.
That's right. Greater Portmore Local Affairs. It's a visual question. Team, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Alexander Bustamante.
Alexander Bustamante.
Our national hero. That's correct. Wolmer's Local Affairs. Visual for you as well. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Pabogo.
Another national hero. That's right. Greater Portmore English language. By using the word goose, give an idiom which means to embark on a pointless journey.
Chase the goose by the tail.
To chase the goose by the tail.
That's incorrect. It's to go on a wild goose chase. Wolmer's English language. By using the word milk, give an idiom which means there's no reason to complain about something that can't be fixed.
It's no point crying over spoiled milk.
That's incorrect. It's don't cry over spilt milk, not spoilt milk. Greater Portmore Primary Television. It's a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this cartoon character.
But don't know say something.
I don't know.
A cow man.
That's incorrect. It's Chitara. Television for you as well, Wolmer's. It's a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this cartoon character.
I don't know.
I don't know.
Shark man.
That's incorrect. It's Panthro. General knowledge for you, Greater Portmore. Park Place and Boardwalk are places in which popular board game?
Monopoly.
Monopoly.
That's right. Wolmer's general knowledge. How many squares are there on a board used for a game of checkers?
Checkers.
46.
46. Those are 46. Sir John Brown.
46.
That's incorrect. It's 64. Sports visual question for you, Greater Portmore. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Can you know who's that?
No, I don't. Say something.
John Brown.
Jamaican athlete Andrew Riley is the correct answer. That's incorrect. Wolmer's sports visual for you. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Sir John Brown.
John Brown.
That's also incorrect. It's Jamaican athlete Ranisha McGregor. Greater Portmore social studies. By which body of water is Jamaica surrounded?
Caribbean Sea.
Caribbean Sea.
That's correct. Wolmer social studies. Jamaica is located to the west and south of which two countries respectively?
What now?
Española. Española.
That's incorrect. It's Haiti and Cuba. Music, Greater Portmore. What word means slower in pitch by one semitone?
Slow in pitch by one semitone. Slow in pitch by one semitone.
Piano.
That's incorrect. It's flat. Wolmer's music. What's another name for the crochet?
A crochet. Semi-brief, I guess.
Semi-brief.
That's incorrect. It's a quarter note. Mathematics for you, Greater Portmore. A certain number divided by 12 gives a result of 10 and a remainder of 11. What's the number?
It's 21 times 10. 120. Is it?
What did you say?
It's 21 times 12.
What?
Question passes. Wolmer's, want to try?
Yes. 120.
That's incorrect. It's 131. Wolmer's mathematics for you. A certain number divided by 13 gives a result of 8 and a remainder of 7. What's the number?
111.
That is correct. And that bell signifies the end of section 1. The scores are Greater Portmore Primary on 4 points and Wolmer's Prep on 3. Now, before we go to the break, here's a friendly tip for our children from Guardian's new ultimate provider. Your study time is precious. Do not allow too many distractions, but try to focus and prepare to do your best. Stay tuned, we'll be right back.